this is mini NVR from Dahua for model MNVR 4208 GFWI. Operate with 6 volt 6 volt until 36 volt DC with 6 ampere. So this one will be located on your vehicle, maybe train, maybe cars or something. And then this is camera. So camera is IP IK10 with IP67. And then this one will be connected with 12 volts. So either adapter or any tap to your vehicle batteries. Okay. And then to open this one, okay, all your hard disk will be installed over here. And then this one able to connect with SIM cards, 4G, or either Wi-Fi or maybe network. So here you have a port for USB and then port for network. Over here is your SIM card, where you plug in your SIM card. See, this is my SIM card over here. Okay, to turn on this thing, first you need to plug this hard disk, lock it, and then make sure the connection for this cable is correct, whereby the AC and V in need to connect to your live 12 volt, and then for ground it will connect to your LED or negative polarity. Then I turn on this one. Okay, then you will turn on. And then here I connect with my mouse. At the back you have an antenna ports, 4G ports and Wi-Fi ports. You can see here is Wi-Fi ports, GPS and 4G or 3G. So currently I'm using a SIM card, so I need to connect with these things. And then for monitoring I use HDMI output, connect with the PC. So example, if your cars have a display, you can connect from the HDMI port here to your display panel. So this is display. So you can see this one is a line for your SIM card. So 4G, we have also Wi-Fi. And then if you connect with GPS, you can able to determine the speed of the cars. This is the voltage for your inputs. Okay. So from here you can see that this thing have also P2P. So let's say if you don't have any software, you just want to view from your camera, you can use this P2P. For Wi-Fi connection, if your cars already have Wi-Fi, movable Wi-Fi, and then this one is a connection for local network. I think this one is for built-in PoE port. This is auto register that I will show how. So this is a cellular setting by default. So from status we can see that it's currently working. So this is the IP address for the SIM cards. Okay. You can see this is camera. Okay. So maybe you install it on the top of cars or maybe a tree. So the design is quite aerodynamic. Okay, first of all we need to set your PC or workstation as the IP address as a static IP. So you go to network and sharing center, change the adapter. Then from here at the IPv4, you need to check either is it the DHCP or static. Is static, here you can see I made static as IP 246 or 192.168.0.246. So after that we will check either the IP address is already changed or not. So you're using the command prompt and ipconfig. Here you can see I already changed my IP PC. Okay, after that we install the mobile center So the mobile center installer, actually you need to ask your local Dahua supports where to get the installer form. Okay, because sometimes they have a different version. So you can request the installer from them, and then after you install the mobile center and then you run the mobile center server, you can check at the both is running, so all the server status is running, and then you can open administration, open mobile center administration client through the web browser. So at the first, actually you need to create the password and username and password. Okay, after that you can install either apps on your phone or PC. So this one is PC, so I want to install the client. Server is something like everything you store, everything your setting will be on the server, and the client is actually the place where you need to monitor the device. After that, install the client installer. So you will get the icon over there. You can see there's two different icons on my desktops. One is server, one is client. Okay, on the website, this one is a server. So you usually by default is a system. So you need to login user by using your own set password. Okay, at this one, first thing you need to do is update your license. So activate the license and purchase, because this one is not a free version, so you need to purchase. So you require to add the serial number of license key, no, not serial number, license key or the above, and then do offline activation license. So you can add device into mobile center. Okay, here is the place for add a device. Here we were using add using authorization. Why? Because my recorder using currently is SIM cards, so it's not locally connected. After that, what we need to do is I'm doing a port forwarding so that my PC and my camera are able to connect. Okay, so add a port forwarding for the PC server. So you can see the number 3. Okay, number 3 is my PC IP address 192.168.0.246. So the port is 9500. So that one you need to add one. You need to add one for your PC. Okay, next to configure the MNVR for authorization. This one will be located in your recorder. First thing first, you need to check the IP static for your PC or workstation place. So by using, you can see me. You can see me.org. You can check your port available and your IP what is IP static for your one. Okay, after that you check the 4G signal at MNVR. Okay, over here you go to register. So you can see the P2P. I just enable it on, let it on. Okay, at register here, you can see that my IP address before is 1, so I need to change to 1. So check the server address into the IP static router as server location. So just now is my IP is something like this, 203.106.81.219. Okay, port is 9500. So sub device ID IABC. So this one you can just do anything. So apply. After apply, we will go to next. So, okay, we check first. The status will updated. If connected, suppose your recorder or able to connect to the auto register. Then at the PC server, you go to add and then using auto register. The register ID just now is I put ABC. Admin user password. Basically just I let the default. Device name I just let ABC. Video channel is 8 because currently I'm using 8. Okay, you can see this one already online. Open the mobile center. Okay, 246. This is my password. You just log in using your own password. Okay, open mobile center client. Application install at the PC. So usually I just open a live view. Live view and the add camera already add. Currently I just use one camera only, so able to see one camera only. Since the video is lagging, video latency will greatly depends on the mobile signal.